In this video, I'll show you how to record Roblox with OBS. Start by downloading and installing OBS Studio. Open it, then go to Settings, Video. Set your base and output resolution to 1920 by 1080 for 1080p, or higher if you want 1440p or 4K. Set FPS to 60 and apply. Next, go to Settings, Output. Set output mode to Advanced, then under Recording, choose MP4, set your save folder, and select NVENC or X264 as the encoder. For bitrate, use 20,000 for 1080p, 35,000 for 1440p, or 50,000 for 4K. Apply changes. Now go to Audio, set desktop audio to your headphones or speakers, and mic to your microphone. In Hotkeys, assign shortcuts for start and stop recording. Apply and close settings. Finally, create a new scene and add a source. Use display capture or window capture for Roblox, then fit to screen. Press your hotkey to start recording. That's it. You now know how to record Roblox with OBS. Please leave a like if this helped.